shoe is something where we all have standard sizes, but maybe there's just a little bit of a modification that would be better for your foot or for my foot. And this is a case where that small modification suddenly gets cost prohibitive. It's why we never see them today. It's why we're stuck with, maybe we can get a wide width in the shoe. Well, here what we can do with 3D printing is bring in those subtle modifications to the parts we use on an everyday basis and be effective.
One of the great opportunities that could be in front of us is really the ability to customize an orthotic to fit exactly against somebody's foot. So the medical industry currently has incredible tools on mapping and creating the geometry of your body, but the manufacturing industry as of yet has not been able to utilize that data to fully customize and make a unique product that fits exactly to your body. So the chromatic technology allows us to mold and to create products that uniquely fit and uniquely flange up against your body to do precisely what the doctor has prescribed. The other issue in cycling is from a footwear point of view. You have a tremendous number of cycles and repetitions as you pedal around, and you create, just from a repetitive motion, stress points in your foot, and custom orthotics would allow that to soften and really distribute the pressure from the bottom of your foot so you don't have any issues as you have all those thousands and thousands of cycles.